Hi, I want to do some list building. My goal is to build um, a list of SaaS, software as a service founders, co-founders, president, CEO, vice president of marketing, marketing manager, marketing coordinator. So a little bit of background, we're selling marketing automation software that specifically targets SaaS businesses. And we're targeting small SaaS businesses, relatively new, ideally B2B, but B2C is fine. Somebody probably doing under 2 million in revenue, under 25 employees. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing it now, or currently have been doing it. For example, we're using Beta List, and what I want to do is target, of course, not of course, but kind of first world companies. So, not like Algeria or places in Africa where they clearly can't afford our software. Probably not most of Asia, except for maybe like Korea. Europe, first world Europe, United Kingdom, Italy, France, Germany, that's fine. Or go like North America. That's always a good one. And so we're looking for SaaS companies. So how do I know they're SaaS companies? I don't know they're all SaaS companies in the beta list, but I would suspect almost all of them are. Just click on those, visit their website. You can't tell if this one is at all, because usually there's usually some sort of, here's an app, payoff planner. That might be a SaaS company, might not. Blog content that's free. It's like kind of an app. Usually there's a pricing, terms and service pricing. That's a good example that there might be one. So then I would go to my Snowy dashboard, find out the list, and I would just add them to my cold SaaS email list. That's what I'm going to do. So it finds that name for me, adds it to the list. Okay. I'm going to go back. Look for one that's remote office workers in your neighborhood. That's probably a good one. This is the website. You can usually tell they're SaaS because they have a pricing page, and they're selling the business. They kind of look like this. Anything has a pricing page, has a per month, perfect target. Go to my Snowy, look for, okay, see the founder. Okay, so I'm not going to do info. I want to just have like 2 per company by and large, if I can. Probably don't need the CTO, but I want to do the CTO, or Liz, not Omri, because he's the CTO. Maybe Eddie, Tammy, Liz, it's the same one. So you only need one there. Not Andrea, they're not verified. The green is verified. So I might do 3 in this case. This looks like a good target. Okay, save them to my list. Good to go. You can also, some companies are going to have big lists. You can click company profile. You're going to see the entire list with their titles, and that's who you're going to choose. So, you don't want members of the board. You don't want advisors. You don't want CTOs. Head of growth is good, so the TAM is good, so we've already added her. So we've already add that to the list. And just to be sure, you can always add that to the list, right? So it's going to capture their first name and everything. So the whole point is there's almost 7,000 startups on this list, and these could have been here for years. Some of them could be years old. So go through these lists, find companies to target. Smart marketing. That means who's smart marketing? It's kind of maybe a competitor, maybe not. Again, has a pricing, has a blog, talks about per month, for features, perfect candidate, no emails found, don't worry about it. And that's what I want to do. I want to go through and add all these people to this list, as many as I can.